Hi everyone, I'm back. I might be using some 20 gauge gold plated head pins today, and we're going to make these earrings. And these are like electroplated in gold, but they're not all the way, they're clear on one side. So, and then since everything here is gold tone, I'm going to put some silver in the middle of it to break it up a little bit. Let's get started. I'm going to take one of these and the bigger one for the bottom. One of these. The smaller is a daisy. I think it's like a 3 or 4 millimeter, and these are 4, so that's probably about 3. So then we'll take the other one, put our bead on, put our, I guess, snowflake spacer. I'm not sure what it's called. Then our big bead on, our little daisy spacer, and then our bead. And these are the ones that we can bend down. So I am going to cut them about a 1/2 inch above. And I'm just eyeballing it. About out there. Then I'll hold the bottom of it tight and roll that back. Might not even be quite a 1/2 inch on this one, because I've been having them be about too big. And you want to get it close and tight. Alright, there's one. And I put the silver in it for contrast. I felt like that it had enough gold going on that it didn't need to have any more gold. So, it ain't quite gold, but it's gold tone. So, maybe brass or something. But yeah, I figured it had enough gold going on, but I put something in it to break it up a little bit. Add a little difference there. We'll open it up, twist it open, hook our earring on, twist it back. I sure hope y'all are having a good summer. Mine has been interesting. Seems like everything breaks at the same time. But yeah, otherwise it's been pretty good. There, we twist this back. And there we go. Y'all, thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking out to the end. I really appreciate it. Liking and subscribing helps me out, and if you want to, check out my other channels in the description. And until next time, I'll see you on the next one. Y'all take care out there. Bye-bye.